In this video, I'll show you how to embed a tally. So form into your WordPress website in just a few minutes. First, open your browser and go to Tally. So, log into your account or sign up if you're new. Once logged in, open the form you want to embed and click on the Share tab. Here, you'll see different embed options such as Standard Embed, Pop-up or Full Page. Choose the embed type that best fits your website layout. After selecting the embed style, adjust any settings you want, like transparent background or width, so it matches your WordPress theme. When everything looks good, click Get the Code and copy the embed code. Now head over to your WordPress dashboard and open the page or post where you want to add the form. Click the plus icon to add a new block, search for custom HTML and select it. Paste the Tally embed code into the HTML block. Finally, click Update or Publish to save your changes. That's it. Your Tally form is now live on your WordPress site and ready for visitors to use. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.